Hello, you guys. This is your branding guy. I'm kind of back. Want to just make this video. This is for you all that actually look for some extra money. I am looking for extra money. Instead of getting a second job or a third job, you can actually make some money online. So I have a product. And I also got a fan page for it, and I'm promoting this because I want to make $125. You will actually make $125 too. We have digital products. What I do, I sell digital products, and each time someone pays for the digital product, I get paid directly to my PayPal account. Okay, so what we selling is digital products. The first level, has some digital products, some audios, some videos. The second level, which is the gold, which I am at both the gold and platinum. I am at. I'm able to make $25 and $100 for both products. And so I'm making this video for you all that actually are looking for extra money. You want to make money. You want to work for it. And there's many ways to promote this business, this opportunity. And it don't always have to be online. You can do offline. You can do flyers. We show you everything. You get a system, everything with this. And what I'm talking about is easy for you all to actually do. I know you probably haven't heard of it, and it may be new to you. It is $25 one up, and with $25 one up, you're able to make 100% commissions anytime. You could be sleeping, you could be making money while you sleep. Any time of the day, anytime you could be making money, because they pay you directly to your PayPal account. Now I don't know, you're gonna definitely just 125. PayPal may take out whatever. But you need siphoning cash. You need cash that you have access to, and it's gonna have you to be able to create that cash that you have access to. Okay. Now, you only have two options, right? Get a second job, right? Or make money from your cell phone, from your mobile phone, from your online. You have two options: get a second job, or to do this, learn how to do this and make extra $125 per person, right? Extra $125. Actually, keep the bill collector away. Some of you all trying to get your credit, done, and we need siphoning cash. We need cash, a cash flow. So, in order to get good credit, you got to, get good credit. So there's things out there, programs out there, but you need money. You need siphoning money coming coming in all the time, all over the place. And this is one of my multiple streams of income that I really promote, because I'm definitely trying to make it work. I also have a couple of other projects that I will not discuss on this video, but I do have them, and you can also ask me for those as well. But other than that, this is your branding guide. I would have the information in the link description below, where you actually watch a 5-minute video presentation and show you how you actually get started and why. And another thing about this is one time. There's no recurring payments. I had things that recurring payments, monthly. No, this is a one-time payment. Once you pay this, you can actually make money anytime you want. Doing this business, doing this from home. It's a work from home program, right? But you make 100% commission, and you only have to pay one time. So imagine coming to the 125 level, right? And building that up, and joining at the $500 level, and now you're able to make not only 500, but 200 and 125 as well. You like once you get at the top of the level, which I believe was one time. They have different levels. I got to go through it, but you pay that one time and that's it, right? You don't have to pay no more. And I'm making this video because we in the middle of the December, moving into 2019. What people actually be looking for is money, extra money for Christmas gifts. So this may be for you. If it's for you, get with me. Click on the description below. Get started, and definitely I'll process you from there. I was thinking about doing another program. Say, why not do another program or try to get someone involved into another program when I already have programs already up and running, and that is $25 one-up, Devant Travel, and I had just added another one on, but I'm not going to do that one until I get my computer, and that's going to be the last income, multiple streams of income for now. Other than that, I'm just working on some other things behind the scenes. In due time, you'll see, or due time, you'll realize, you'll be able to check those things out too. But for now, I'm offering this opportunity for those that's out there. I see y'all. I got my clean shave going and new haircut and my beard. I'm growing my beard out. I'm just trying to get it long. How long can I get it? I want to get it for right here. Right here. Just getting there. Just want to just grow it out, grow it out, grow it out, grow it out, grow it out. The long beard. But other than that, y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. I haven't really did too many Facebook lives and different things like that. I just wanted to make this video because it was in my mind and my heart that I offer an opportunity for someone that may be looking. You may be looking. So earn an extra $100 a day or daily. It's doable. A lot of people are doing it. People are doing it in their sleep, making money. And why can't you? Like I say, there's only two options: get a second job, okay, or do this. You could do this, or you can get a second job. It's up to you what you want to do. The ball is really in your court, and how you spend your time going to determine your outcome on what you have at the end of the day, right? It's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. So this will be able to keep 100% commissions, stash away for paying up some bills, paying up some debt, putting some money aside for apartment, put some money aside for a house, put some money aside for a business that you have in mind, create a business. Like me, I have a creative business with my neckties and bow ties. Siphoning money is all about having money coming in constantly from all over the place, not just one income. One income is not good enough. But after you done paid your bills, after you done did some things, after people, you need other money coming in as well, not just your one job. You need other monies coming in so you can actually put it towards other things in your life. Create your income just for your entertainment. Create your income just for your clothes. Create another income just for gas. Create another income just for haircuts. Make your haircuts and your style and everything you do. Make all that stuff free. Pay it off. And guess what? When you're a business, you're able to write off a percentages of your bills and stuff, or your receipt. So it's a great thing to be in business. So this is gonna pretty much catapult you into a business because it's digital, it's all online. You get websites, you get funnels, you get capture pages, you get tools, you get trainings, all this stuff, Facebook training, Instagram training, all this stuff there, all in one place. and it's just one-time payment. Also, we work with other, if you want to, we work with All. So All is a monthly, which is residual when you look at it. So you get people into this system, you'll be able, and you join All, which I am going to do, right? I am going to join All, right? It's going to allow you to generate not only income coming in daily, every week, every day, right? But it's going to allow you to make residual income from All. You know, All is a funnel, teach you can be able to build websites, build all type of stuff, capture pages and landing pages and stuff like that. And it's a platform that anybody needs because people need leads, you know, and stuff like that. And I got another thing for that. But this is what it's all about, you know, having multiple streams of income, having multiple things. You know, we all out here trying to eat. The cost of living has went up, and we have to do what we have to do, you know, whether that is on a part-time basis or on a full-time basis, or just, you know, regular life. A job, you know, you work your 40 hours or your 20 hours or however hours, how many hours you work on your job, and that's just one income, right? What happened to your other, you know, because you're gonna always have bills. So you have your gas bill, you have your dental bill, you have your hair bill. You know, some of you all get your hair done, paying $700 for your weaves, your ladies. You know, guys, $25 a haircut. You know, now it's even going up because they have other things going up, other services. But imagine constantly wanting your bills because you have another stream of income coming in, right? Able to pay off some of your bill, your water bill, your gas bill, your utility bills. You know, be able to pay off something with one of your other income streams, because you know you can expect it coming in because why? You do a little bit of work every day, right? Whether that's making a video, whether that is posting, whether that's doing postcard, whether that is doing flyers, whether that is whatever it may be, right? You put your business out there, and as you put your business out there, you're able to write it off at the end of the year anyway. Loans you could prove to the people with receipt, everything that you was marketing and promoting your business. Long as you have a receipt, long as you have a business, a legitimate business, long as you get a 1099, 1090 or something like that, you're good to go. And you can write off everything that you've done in your business. If you went on a lunch, right, and you talk about your business or something, that's a business lunch. And guess what? You can write that off too. So anything you do in your business, it's expense, right? Posting cards, postcards, flyers, business cards, anything you do, you can write it off, right? So this is a business for the newbie that really don't know how to start a mortal brick and mortar business. You know, don't really have the cash flow to start a $500 or $10,000 up and up business. Really, you know, $25,000 business. You know, start up. You know, $1 million to start a business. We have, you know, things in place where you actually get started for less than $30 or $35, right? And that is at the gold level. You're able to make $25 per person. Now, I just came all in. At the time, it was just 2 levels, and so I just came all in. I just paid. I paid $125 or $135, right? But you pay for the admin $10, and I'm loving it. I have a fan page for it, and it's growing. It's getting publicity. And so for now, I'm just going to leave you all with that. Take this video to your own discretion. You know, get with me. Watch the video below. I post the video down there that you can actually watch it and make a decision whether you want to actually be a mobile business or you just want to get a second job. It's up to you. Be blessed.